Sometimes babies refuse to drink milk from a bottle, and this can be stressful for parents. Babies may turn away from the bottle for many reasons. There are simple and effective reasons why a baby may refuse bottle milk. Sometimes babies refuse the bottle simply because they are not hungry. If the last feeding was recent, your baby may still feel full and satisfied. Babies are good at recognizing their own hunger and fullness cues. When they are not hungry, they may turn away from the bottle or fuss. This behavior is normal and does not usually mean there is a feeding problem. Some babies prefer breastfeeding because it feels more natural, warm, and comforting to them. Breastfeeding allows close skin-to-skin contact, which helps babies feel safe and secure. Because of this comfort and familiarity, some babies may refuse the bottle and wait for breastfeeding instead. Some babies dislike the bottle because the nipple shape or size feels unfamiliar to them. If the nipple is too wide, narrow, soft, or firm, it may be uncomfortable in the baby's mouth. Babies are very sensitive to texture and shape during feeding. Trying different nipple shapes and flow types often helps find one the baby accepts comfortably. This can reduce fussiness and make feeding easier for both baby and parent. Milk temperature can affect whether a baby accepts the bottle or not. If the milk is too hot or too cold, it may feel uncomfortable and cause the baby to refuse feeding. Babies usually prefer milk that feels similar to body temperature. Making sure the milk is warm, but not hot, can help your baby feed more comfortably. When babies are teething, sore and swollen gums can make feeding uncomfortable. The pressure of sucking on a bottle nipple may cause pain, leading the baby to refuse milk. Teething can also make babies more fussy and restless during feeding times. Using teething toys can help babies who are refusing the bottle due to gum discomfort. After playing with a teething toy, the baby may feel more comfortable and willing to take the bottle. Incorporating teething toys before feeding can make mealtime easier and less stressful for both baby and parents. When a baby is sick, they may refuse the bottle because they feel uncomfortable or weak. Digestive problems like gas, reflux, or stomach pain can make a baby uncomfortable and refuse bottle milk. Babies may also resist the bottle if sucking hurts their throat or mouth. In such cases, it is important to monitor their health, offer fluids in small amounts. Baby probiotic drops help improve digestion by balancing good bacteria in the gut. They can reduce common problems like gas, colic, constipation, and diarrhea. Probiotics also support better nutrient absorption and overall gut health in babies. So, by applying these tips and using these products, you can help reduce baby bottle milk refusal.